disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab right here. Just slide that off and then pull up on the connector itself. Pull up on the tab and slide it out. You're gonna need a O2 sensor socket like this or a 7/8 wrench that gives you access to the O2 sensor. Slide it over the O2 sensor and loosen it up. Once you get it loose, you should be able to do it by hand. And slide the O2 sensor out. I'm going to take the new O2 sensor, line it up, get the threads started. And tighten this down. Then if you can fit a torque wrench in there, you want to torque this to 31 foot-pounds. And take the connector, bring it over to the plug, and plug it in. Then take that safety lock and slide it through. The procedure for the other O2 sensors would be the same. Disconnect the connector and then unscrew the O2 sensor. There's one up top on the back here. This is another one in the front of the engine right here, and then another one up top.